Good morning once again, everyone. Good morning. Hi. We are a seven demonstrator. By the way, I am Julie Torres. And we are the seven demonstrators. Yay! First, we have our classroom equipment.
Hala,
First is listen carefully. Is someone talking in
sa
front?
baglang tao.
Please, how will it be mapaminaw itaw? Number two, follow the instruction. Since kami ang mga activity is lengthy magigay yung mga direction or mga procedure, I hope na hindi siya ma-follow. Para maka-arrive mo sa kung saan kita bugis sa experiment. Yes! Play. Three is work collaboratively. Means, since group 1 mo, group 1 and group 2, so of course, this is like isa na yung pagtutun. Yes! Dapat together mo. Yes! Fourth is, do your best. So, yes. Sa atong buhaton, as long as kita sa atong heart, just yes! So, first question. What happens when you throw a ball at the wall? The lucky one goes to Mr. Opan.
Mr. Norris? Pwede bang Norris na tayo? Ano? It bounces back. Wala yung mga icons.
Mr. Wanda comes back. Do you agree? Miss Pandile. Yes,
Hindi ka sabi.
Yes. According to Miss Pandile, three experience daw na mag-throw ang ball and then bounce ulit sa ibabalik sa lahat. And then, we agree niya ang idea ni Mr. Wanda. Next question. When you put a vessel in a glass of water, why does it look bent or broken when it enters the water?
Oh, refresh.
I have 60. Next na lang siya, guys.
Dalawa.
Gomez.
Sayang.
Mr. Cardillo.
Pagpapagdeo lang sa from air to water.
So according to Mr. Cardillo, it depends on the media. So as ito nag-travel ang materials. For example, sa air daw o sa water. So different sila nga tawagan yung medium or media. Do you agree, Mr. Miss Nika Padilla? Yes. Yes. Of course. So, question number 3. When you push a toy car from a smooth floor onto a rough carpet, what happens in the speed of the car? Nasa Miss Aguirre?
Wala. Nag-practice sila sa ethics.
The answers goes to Mr. Miss Blackers.
Grabe.
So, syempre, ang speed sa car is Do you have any idea? Princess Sister, Miss Juliet. I mentioned na po sa idea ni Juan, ni Miss Fernandez. So, we have a stay on. According to Miss Nunes, they have the same thought. Now, using Miss Nulandres, now, once long car will travel the south or which is Usucia. And then, kung mag-travel to siya sa Rocket, Hinay siya. And your I know na bisan dito sa English na yung mga answer in mind. But stable lang na. Stable lang na. At stable lang na. But i-perform na sa ato ng ako test na activity. Activity type. Correction. The class will be divided into two groups, which is group 1 and group 2. Each group will have a white cartolina and the marker na siya sa ilang paan. And then, perform the experiment in each station. After completing the task, within 5 minutes, go to another station and present your answer to the whole class and paste your answer in the whiteboard. So, we have station 1, angle of incidence versus angle of reflection. Station 2, glass block experiment. Ito guys, nakita mo guys.
Place the upright along a straight line on the paper. Draw a normal line and a straight line at 90 degrees from the pencil to the paper. Shine the light towards the arrow line.
Adre sa ano sa amin, i-bounce back sa amin.
Hindi ganyan, hindi tapos dito sa amin.
Sige guys, great.
Ayan, middle.
Tanawa ko kasi niabot ang 20.
Ah, hindi.
Ay, guys.
Ay, mag-center daw yung
Black on the white sheet of paper. Trace outline with a pencil. Trace is outlined with a pencil.
Trace it outside.
Yes.
Hindi ko na. Gawin ito.
Pero ano yun?
Like.
Pinira ko. Sige. Draw a normal line. Dito ko ka. Draw a normal line. Putol. Wala. Available sa taas. Available sa taas. Tama na. Taas po. Then sunod,
Place a bond paper into the top of the card.
incident line. Book the two pins into the incident line. Yan eh. Sige. Diri ka. Dira tabi. Put a glass block diri.
Look at the pins. Sige.
Then,
Look at the pins daw.
tanawa dahil niyo sa boss. Tanawa dahil niyo sa boss. Kaya dapat ang kaning langsang mag-isa na sila. Nakita ninyo dira.
Asa ay dire?
Oh, yeah. Di ba? So dapat kaning duha ka buok isa na sila. Nakita ninyo? Kuchig kuan point yung asa sila dapat na. Ay! Sige.
Ala, Ed, patanaw na Ed. Diba?
Bagit lang.
Ay, sweet lang.
Sit lang, side ko na.
Then, dinit sa buti bagit ko. Ikaw, yes, dili.
Lapos.
Murag na straight siya ba? Straight siya. Sige, butang mo.
Ah. Kalapos lang.
Oh, alam mo sa
Sige pa.
Tama na.
Para mas makita mo.
Once again, we will currently dot activity event. So, season has a data presentation.
View analysis.
So, group 1, Juray Salinas. Ganito, ganito. And Kapustas Jessa.
Tuman si Lisa.
So, good morning, everyone. So, number 1, what do you notice about the relationship between the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection? So, this is the answer of number 1. So, it is directly proportional. And number 2, what happens when you increase the angle of incidence? So, this also increases. Number 3, does the light always reflect on the same side of the normal? So, yes, of course, since it is directly proportional in each. Good morning once again. On sa station tonight. The first question is, what happens to the light ray when it enters the glass black? So, ang answer niya ay mag-bend siya according sa mga observation. So that is question number 2. Does the light bend downward or away from the normal when it enters the glass? Yes, it creates an illusion that looks like the nails is in a different position. So more siya mag-ana. Then, third, what happens to the light ray when it exits the glass black? The light bends. Bends, yeah. Why do you think the light bends when it passes through different materials? And because glass is solid, that's why it bends. And sa dito mo siya sa layer sa materials, muna mag-bend ang Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is First, I will explain our answer in station 1. First question is, what do you notice about the relationship between the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection? So, we notice or we observe that it is directly proportional. Since, if alam mo ito nung sa 10, ang ang reflect niya is just the 10 rin hapon. The second question is, what happens when we increase the angle of incidence? So, the angle of reflection also is so mataas po siya. Number 3 is, does the light always reflect the same side of the normal? Yes. Hey, good morning, everyone. I'm going to present our findings or observation based on the experiment. So first is the question number 1. What happens to the light ray when it enters glass black? So our answer
exists the glass blank. So our answer is the light ray is able to pass straightly. And question number 4. Why do you think the light passes through the different materials? So our answer is the speed of light changes based on the medium where it passes. Yes, of course, based on the medium, ako na siya maghatag ng factor kung saan pagkapaspas ang pag-change sa light. So that is our answer.
Thank you for participating, everyone, regarding our activity for today's. And I hope that all your questions must be answered along with our discussion for today's day. Let me introduce to you our learning objective for today's lesson. Identify and differentiate between the reflection and refraction of light and state the condition and under which each occurs at a plane surface. Next is appreciate the importance of light behavior in understanding natural phenomena and technological devices such as mirrors. C is draw and label accurate ray diagram to illustrate the reflection, refraction, and the plane surface, showing a correct measurement of angles. Light is a form of energy that travels in a straight line and enables us to see objects. So of course, usay way na ako para makita sa mga objects na nakapaligid sa ato. Usay way na ako para makita na ako ang mga objects na nasa
Sense of sight. Our eyes. Eyes. Lights.
imong sight kung gamiton. What if kung gabi sight na?
Light. Light
So,
sight.
light is the only way we can see things.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
When light strikes a surface, it can be refracted, and absorbed. One will focus on the reflection and refraction on a plane surface. We all know that there is reflected, refracted, and absorption of light. But in our case, we'll topic only the reflection and refracted in a plane surface. So, Miss Lumabas will deal the topic deeper. Yes. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My topic is reflection and plane. When we say reflection and plane surface, it is about the impact of light rays when they hit a soft, smooth surface such as mirror. So imagine this na ganito hindi bitaw ipatan ang namin. Unsa may tabo. Nay ang reference. Correct na. So nay reflection may tabo tungod kay mag-bounce back ang light. So that is what we call reflection. So muna ba ang itatawag ka na tungod na ito ang plane surface, kita na ito kapag itatawag clear image. So nine types of reflection. Ang regular reflection, ang diffuse reflection. So when we say regular reflection, our smooth surface like mirror produces clear image. Clear mirror or by mirror or kanang clear water or calm water. So kanang pag ang light ngunit dito ang light ngunit dito so maka-form siya o ang light will reflect ito tapos mag-well organized din siya because of the light niya may dito mo makita sa clear image. So ang diffuse reflection naman occurs on rough surface light is scattered away by the form. So imagine sa mga wall or rough paper or sa anong mga paper. So di ba pag dili ka makakita o yung now dito, dili ka makakita image dito at baka sa paper.
Truth.
Imagine makita ka, bali na makita. So because kay ang light dito pattern sa dito ang area, mura din yung makita ang area. Next is law of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So kanina sa atong experiment, di ba gipatry ka mo ganina about itong
Ganyan na sa dala din
sabi na rin ang laser, ang 10 degrees ay more reflective sa 10 degrees. So, tatlo na yung answer kanina, no? Sumuna siya ang law of reflection kaya ang angle of incidence ay equal sa angle of reflection. Muna kita mo rin ito kapag ito pag sa akin, ang gilid, ang iyong kita ay dito, ito makakita ang kita. Muna siya, law of reflection, first law of reflection. The second law of reflection is the incident ray reflected rays and the normal or a line perpendicular to the surface, all lines in all the same place. So, dali marami sa akong parehas kanina. Ang nato ang di ba kanina? Kanina. Kani. So, katong 90 degrees diri ano yung line diri ka 90 degrees. Ito yung tawag na normal line. Tapos katong laser na inyong ikot diri ano yung isang tawag na incident ray. Kung i-bounce back diri ito yung tawag na reflected ray. Yes po?
Yeah.
Ano yung tawag siya nasa sa state all in a state all lie the same place. Na tungod kay the normal if not on the same surface means air and same plane. They ensure that the reflection obeys the physical laws of behavior na Muna ang tingin kanina no? Muna siya incident rate, laser of that time, reflection, alainan mo. Muna ang incident rate, reflected ray, o the normal ray, the degree.
Angle.
I is equal to angle of incidence and R angle of reflection.
Apa dan?
So first, what do you notice about the relationship between the angle of incidence and angle of reflection? So, ang inyong answer is directly proportional. Sakto no? Kaya di ba, pag makita na ito sa amin, pag direct ka po tayo, makita niyo na equal sila.
Unsa man na?
So number 2, what happens when you increase the angle of incidence? So, pag increase ang angle of incidence, increase ko lang reflection. Correct. So, next is, does the light always reflect the same side of the normal? Yes. Yes. Reflect down. Yes. Yes. Mr. Francisco Willie.
Hindi mo tungi.
Depending of light as it passes from one medium to another due to the change in its speed. Refraction at a plane surface is a bending of light when it passes from medium. There are different types of medium, air, water, and glass diamond. So, and kasi as the light, ang light is doon sa medium, mo-change ang iyang speed, change ang speed, kaya science natin yung tinatawag nga where medium mo, denser medium. So, pag yung nag-dense, so bukan siya, or ang iyang molecules is compacted. The layer, so air, like a molecules is nag-conform siya sa kagamba. So, parang ang ating experience din niya sa nakita ninyo, sa last month siya nakatulog. So, ano tayo, tabandayan ninyo, pero ang refraction sa light niya, sinit sa plane is imo siya, wala siya straight. Kaya ang speed of light, nagkagamay man siya ito kay mas dense man ang kuha sa amin. So, di gamay ang iyang speed. So, kana, the refraction, the incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. example, mock refraction is standing for given pair o sa media. So, kani, ang media nato kanina is air of glass. So, muna ito media. So, pag niya, pag nakita na law, Snell's law, how light bends and passes from one medium to another in I or since R, since I is incident ray and R is refracted angle of refraction. Yan na. So, ito, ganina, ano yung matalo? So, kani siya dire,
Nine marker.
kani, yung sitaw kani.
Dili.
Oh, kani.
Pedro na.
Then, wala yung normal line kasi wala ka sa inyo nga. Diba? Diba? Then, ganong 30 degrees na yun. Dire. Degrees din ang refracted light angle dire. So, ang angle of incidence, dire ni siya makita. Dire siya makita. Ano yung angle of incidence din ang angle of refraction, dire siya makita. So, paggamitan ng Snell's law, ang result sa angle of incidence ng angle of refraction is constant or dito siya. So, natong para na siya, dali ay mas kinay. Ang value sa mga incident rate, wala siya is 10, bali 30 is 10 to 30, because the value is sa angle of refraction is 7 to 30. Isa na ito 50 because ang value, i-divide na rin ang sila. And ang magawa sa ay, kung ano na itong gamit kanina, glass, 1.5 per meter ng dosa na tayo doon 1.8 yun. Pero dara pang use ko until 1.5 ka. So ang water 1.3 and half air 1 half siya. So kana kung ginatawag nga the refraction index. So ang refraction index kani gina-antete kung sa kapasukat ang light travels sa condition. So kung mas labo ang refraction index, wala din na sa glass, may precise. Pasabot ato, hinayang kuhan speed sa light kung daw ang refractive index. Pero kung ang refractive index sa water sa mga kuhan, like 1.3 naman sa water, so mas pas ang light, gamay na makita niyo mga bending. So, hinana. Invest yun. Station 1, what happens in the light ray when it enters the glass block? It bends, tama? Tama. The number 2, does the light bend towards or away from the normal when it enters the glass? Yes. Okay. Pag hinayo kami na siya. So, what does the light bend toward away from? So, ang galing if does the light bend toward or away from the normal when it enters the glass? So, nakasabot sa kaning nag-bend toward
Towards away.
towards away. Kasabot na towards away, dili ka imon. Pero kung isa, toward out, bend toward, dili siya kayo. Ano ba? So, kani, away from normal light. Ano sa tumulong? Yoko lang.
Tugi hapon. Aray ko. Logi.
So the word is what happens in the light ray when it exists in glass block. The light ray is equal to 1.
Exact naman pa exact. Kulong na statement. Kulong. Sabi pa ganito yung pag-exist ko siya kaya. Straightly.
So ang pag-pass na light kanina, so nag-follow siya sa bending, wala
wala man siya nag-quality. Ang paggawas niya kay dito naman siya nakapalo sa building sa buwan sa lesson. So, number 4 is, why do you think the light bends when it passes to different materials? Tatlo, because they are solid, oil, and clear.
Di magod na ako makuha ang sinsilyo kaya naipapil.
Speed of time changes based
Keep the change.
Pag ano yung bala-bala, before that also, destruction, it is the bending of light. Well, entering medium, no? So there are different type of medium, air, water, glass, banana. Ang air 1, ang intense destruction, water is 1.3, glass is 1.5. Magamit na din ako lang ng one. And I guess ito naman siguro.
Okay, for the motivation. Let's talk about the key differences between reflection and refraction. So the definition of reflection is bouncing back of light, while refraction is bending of light. Refraction and refraction is immortal behaviors of light that help us to understand how we see the world with the power of light. And also, reflection happens when the light bounces back from the medium or the same medium or the surface. While refraction happens when the light bends and it passes from a different medium. And the example of the reflection is mirror. Kasi nakailang mirror.
Nakaila? Kinsa ba na? Kinsa ba natin?
Alam mo, yun yung ano na.
Vision.
Also, the example of different using gas, kerosene, and water. Familiar siya, familiar. This concept explain why we see images in the mirror and why the object look like bends or broken when you place it in the water.
Water.
And understanding reflection and refraction help us to how light travels and also how the different surfaces affect the way we see things. And reflection alone is angle of incident and angle of reflection. So in of this, light can be a medium as a ray. So a light ray is a light that travels in a light ray is a light in a different low which energy of light flowing. So in reflection, the light ray is always bounces. So the angle that the incident ray makes with the surface is always equal to angle that the reflected ray makes with the surface. While the refraction, the light ray is always bends. So always remember, reflection is bounces or bouncing. Or bounce back. While refraction is bends or bendings. And there are two angles in the during refraction, the angle of incident ray and the angle of refraction. So Snell's law provide an equation that can be used to find an angle of the refraction of a ray. So, activity na kasabtan naman, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
Activity na kanumay ng reflection of refraction. So, direction. The report produces sticky notes, each group. And in the same group, write in the sticky notes a real application and reflection and refraction of the plane surface. Note each member will contribute. And number 3, and the report will be random listening of the class. You have only 3 minutes to complete the task. So, I have to answer it.
Settle down na!
So, first, mirror of the car. On the vehicle that the driver is able to see one is get back to avoid accident. Tapos, ay last, we are able to complete with a clear image that visualize correctly. Correct. Okay, very good. Next is protocol.
Bobby,
So our live applications or scenarios of reflection or fractions. Reflection is side mirror sa motor.
Charis!
Motor ba dito kay sa motor mo? Gani. Side mirror sa earth. Take this telescope, side mirror sa telescope and also telescope that got our light mirrors. Tapos, and also, sa real life scenario, kay kanang sa leg reflection, kanang karoon na ako sa iba-reflect yung face at tingya. Ito refraction is one, fish tank, kanang aquarium yan, naliliit. So, iba yung magkarapan sa face, and also magnifying glass. Magnifying glass that ginagamit lang sa mga science.
Trot, trot!
And also, I bought window
Yeah!